as the father of the accused in the Pune car crash case is concerned, Vishal Agarwal. Remember, the hearing was on, and we are now learning that 2 days of police custody has been granted by the court as far as Vishal Agarwal's case is concerned. Remember, we were telling you that his hearing was on at one of the sessions court, and now we are learning that 2 days of police custody has been granted by the court. Remember, he was also trying to evade the Pune police, which had to finally arrest him from Sambhaji Nagar. In fact, for more details, let's quickly go across to Yesha Kotak, who's joining me on the phone line. Yesha, how crucial is this going to be now for Pune police, and what will be their line of questioning now that they have the custody of Vishal Agarwal for 2 days?
So yes, now that they've gotten Vishal Agarwal's custody, all eyes are actually on the Juvenile Justice Board as to what order they would pass. Here they have the custody of Vishal Agarwal, they have the custody of 3 accused who were arrested from bar, that is the bar owner and bar manager. Here there is a clear-cut watertight case against Vishal Agarwal, because in the argument the public prosecutor was also mentioned the statement of the driver. In the statement, the driver has mentioned that mentioned to the cops that on instructions of his boss is where he allowed the accused to drive the car. Apart from that, it also mentions that the driver was asked to sit next to the accused. The accused insisted that he should drive the vehicle. All of these are important, crucial aspects. Now, the statement of the accused in this case would also be important to further establish the stance. And here, on the statement of the accused, is something that the father would also be questioned. So all of these aspects would be crucial for investigation. Also, the vehicle in this case, the Porsche, has been registered on the father's name. So those are also the charges against him. What's important to note is that though 304 is available, but the fact that Section 199 has been established, which makes it important, and it makes it a non-available offence. So here, 2 days of custody for Vishal Agarwal. Apart from that, 3 days of custody was also granted to bar owners and managers, which is where all of these people will be produced again before the court on 24th.
Absolutely. On that note, important to also highlight, Yesha, in terms of how Vishal Agarwal tried very hard to evade the Pune police, how he was eventually arrested from Sambhaji Nagar, what in fact it goes on to indicate about his own sort of intention to evade the Pune police.
Absolutely. In fact, Vishal Agarwal tried to evade Pune police, which is where he was brought to books only when the cops traced him down to Sambhaji Nagar. So in this case, while we see that there was an attempt made to evade the law, to evade the arrest, but that did not really hold true, because when he escaped we actually have Asim Sarod right now, right here with us. We try and understand. He filed an intervention application today as well. Yesterday's intervention application was filed. Today an intervention application has been filed regarding 2 FIRs that he made. We in fact try and get Asim Sarod right here. Intervention application actually.
Alright, so we should try to get one of the lawyers' reactions over there with regards to the intervention application. Let's also listen into what the lawyers have to say over there as they are all gathered at the juvenile court in Pune.
जामीन ज्या कारणांवरून मागितलेला होता, तसे कोणतेही कारण आता लक्षात घेतले जाऊ शकत नाही असं न्यायाधीशांचं म्हणणं आहे. कारण की जे वडील आहेत आरोपी आताचे, त्यांनी आपली वडिलांची भूमिका व्यवस्थित पार पाडली नाही. जेव्हा की गाडीचं रजिस्ट्रेशन नव्हतं, गाडीवर नंबरसुद्धा नव्हता आणि आपल्या मुलाकडे लायसन्ससुद्धा नाही हे माहिती असताना त्यांनी त्याला गाडी चालवायला दिली. त्यांना याची पूर्ण माहिती आहे की अशा पद्धतीने आपल्या मुलाचं वय 18 वर्ष नसताना त्याला पबमध्ये किंवा बारमध्ये पाठवणं किंवा जाऊ देणं हे सुद्धा चांगल्या पालकाचं लक्षण नाही. जस्टिस ॲक्टनुसार
This is not a sign of a good parent. He was allowed to go to a pub and bar when he was 17.
घडलेला आहे तो त्याचंच लक्षण आहे की त्यांनी मुलाला जास्त,
and that is why this accident took place.
त्यामुळे कोर्टाने 24 तारखेला
there was no control over the child.
सर तुम्ही आज इंटरव्ह्यू केलं कोर्टामध्ये. न्यायालयाच्या निदर्शनास आणले, तुम्ही या प्रकरणात काय
इंटरव्हेन्शन 2-3 मुद्द्यावर आहे. एकतर
When
पहिली
asked
गोष्ट
about
म्हणजे
the intervention
या
application,
अपघातात जरी 2 जण मेलेले असले तरी पुण्यातल्या सगळ्यांनाच रस्त्यांवरून
He
जावं
said the
लागते, वाहनं
intervention
चालवावं लागतात आणि सगळ्यांचा जीव धोक्यात आहे अशी परिस्थिती आहे.
was that though 2 persons were killed in this accident, all those who walk on the streets of Pune, their lives are
कुणाचाही कोणी अपघात करेल आणि
endangered
तो जर
because of
श्रीमंत
such
व्यक्ती
acts.
असेल तर त्याला काहीच होणार नाही. ही जी
That is
न्यायाची
why
असमानता आहे ही
anybody
सुद्धा महत्त्वाची आहे. आम्ही
can
कोर्टामध्ये
lead to such an
सांगितलं की,
accident.
लेखी स्वरूपात सुद्धा दिलं की जर
We told the court
जर त्या मुलाकडे वाहन चालवण्याचं परमिट नसेल
that
तर
if there is no
18 वर्षाच्या
license,
आत असेल आणि तरी दारू पिण्यासाठी जाऊ देणं, पबमध्ये जाऊ देणं आणि मग त्यांनी बेदरकारपणे वाहन
and
चालवून
if
अपघात
he's allowed to
करणं, हे
drive,
सगळं
he's allowed to drink,
रिझल्ट आहे याचा. हा
and
पालक
then due to
म्हणून
rash and
त्यांच्या
negligent
sufficient
driving,
अशा
it leads
अपयशाचा
to
भाग
death of
आहे
2
आणि
persons.
त्यामुळे त्यांची चौकशी झाली पाहिजे कारण की त्यांनी
Then
ते
it is
दिवस कार विकत घेऊनही रजिस्ट्रेशन
failure
का
of
केलं
the
नाही.
parent.
हा एक मुद्दा आहे. आणि दुसरा मुद्दा आहे की
Why didn't the parent
त्यांनी
register the
मुलाकडे
car
लक्ष
so many
दिलं
days
नाही.
after the
आता
purchase?
याच्यामध्ये कायद्याचे आणखी 1-2 मुद्दे आहेत जे कुणीच
They didn't take
आणून
care of
दिले
the
नसतील.
child.
तर माझं असं स्पष्ट मत आहे की दोन
There are several provisions under the law
हे अत्यंत चुकीचं आणि बेकायदेशीर आहे. दुसरं
which
आतापर्यंत
weren't taken
सगळी
care
चर्चा
of.
सुरू आहे पण एकही
There were 2
provision,
FIRs in
एकही
this
कलम
case.
दारूबंदी कायद्याचं पोलिसांनी
is wrong
लावलेलं
to
नाही.
have
ज्याला
2
प्रोहिबिशन ऍक्ट असं
different
म्हणतात.
FIRs in
तर
the same
दारूबंदी
case.
कायद्यानुसार FL1, FL2,
There are
FL3
no
लायसन्सचे
provisions
प्रकार आहेत.
of Prohibition
आणि
Act
जे
that have
bar
been
वगैरे
slapped
असतात,
in
त्यांना
this
स्वतःचे
case.
लायसन्स दिलेले असतात. त्यांच्याकडे परमिट असते. या परमिटनुसार
Pubs and bars are given licenses and permits.
त्यांच्यासाठी तिथे परमिटची किंवा छोट्या पावत्यांची व्यवस्था असते.
Those who do
या
not
सगळ्या
have
गोष्टींचं
those
register
permits,
maintain केलं पाहिजे. त्यामुळे दारूबंदी कायद्याची पूर्णपणे अंमलबजावणी
a register has to be maintained with respect to the Prohibition Act. It clearly shows that there has been violation of Prohibition
राहुल
Act.
गांधींचा गैरसमज झालेला आहे आणि सगळ्यांचाच तसा झालेला आहे की या मुलाला केवळ जामीन दिलेला आहे, त्याला काही मोकळं सोडून दिलेलं नाही आहे, निर्दोष सोडलेलं नाही आहे.
Rahul
त्यामुळे
Gandhi,
जामीन करत असताना
there seems to be a misunderstanding.
प्रोव्हिजन आहे ती सुधारणावादी शिक्षेची किंवा अटींची आहे. त्याला काही अटींवर सोडलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे सगळ्यांनीच निबंध दिला की त्यांना
Juvenile
सोडतील.
Justice Board,
असा जो काही समज झालेला आहे तो भावनाशील
there
समज
is
आहे आणि लोकांनी
specific
त्याच्याबद्दल
provision
विचार केला पाहिजे. राहुल
with
गांधींनी
respect
पण
to
जे काही ट्विट केलेलं आहे किंवा व्हिडिओ केलेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा हा गैरसमज आहे असं दिसतं की त्यांना आरोपीला सोडूनच
tweet
दिला
that has
जणू काही
been
असा त्यांना समज झाला.
by Rahul Gandhi.
नाही अंडरवर्ल्डशी संबंध आहे वगैरे असा कोणता युक्तिवाद कोर्टात कोणी केला नाही.
There have been no arguments with respect to connection to underworld.